Hello everybody, welcome to Michaeltechroom. So, today we'll be unboxing a little GoPro accessory. So, that's what we'll be doing. Excuse if I bumped the tripod. I'm gonna try to, there we go. Okay, so in my hand, I got a little bit of something from Amazon, or I bought something, so, after the intro, okay? So, I've bought a little GoPro accessory from Amazon. So, as you can see, this is a brown mystery box, as you can see. So, hopefully this, you can easily see. It's black, so excuse me bumping the tripod. There we go. Bump up a little more. So, let's open the top. You might know this accessory. I know a lot of people do recommend this accessory a lot, so there we go. Put it off to the side. Some bubble wrap. As you can, maybe you can see, maybe not. I'm not sure. There we go. So hopefully you can see what this is a GoPro cage. So there are various cage for these GoPro. In this particular cage, there's many accessories that you can get. So, like this particular one came with a screw-on in-the-field or glass, so less likely for you to damage your GoPro lens. But it does have many accessory mounting hole that you can attach. So this will basically will be mostly my main GoPro. The GoPro is going to become the main protection camera, but you do get accessories. So that might be hard to see. I might have to put a little bit overlay. I'm not sure if you can see it. So one of the things is you will get that little thing. I can't think of this proper name, but this is a normal on the normal GoPro accessory. This is a normal mounting thing that GoPro do have. So probably have to overlay that shot. Maybe not. I probably will. Oh, there's screws. Oh, this got wrapped up. Okay, I see the dealios. Got you a strap if you need a strap. And this is a cord shoe. So this would this you could mount it on top like that if you want to. So there's no instruction. I don't recall instruction come with it, but okay. So you can mount it on the top or the side. What else? Oh, you got... Huh, that's weird. So, many holes to mount. So, pretty nice one. So, not much to say. This is pretty much just a it's just to hold your GoPro mainly. That's all it is. That's mainly what it's for. It's for that. So, yeah, there you go. You can attach this little thing. I can't think of the proper term for that, so I can attach it to the bottom, or I can just stick a normal tripod at the bottom if I want to, which this is what I'm going to be mainly doing. So I'm going to attach this to the GoPro, not the GoPro, attach this to the tripod, so that's what I'm going to do mainly. You do have 2 screws too for this too, so pretty much that's pretty it. So so what I'm gonna do would be mounting this on the tripod, so I don't have to juggle between so I don't have to being the GoPro is the main production camera now, I don't have to balance between 2 GoPros, so that's all I'm trying to say. So pretty much that's pretty it. So if you did enjoy this quick little unboxing, this is what I got. I probably will overlay a Amazon page on this video, so I can show so you can see what I've got right here. So so if you're interested checking pick one of yourself if you're interested. So if you do want to check it out, feel free to pick it up on Amazon if you want to. So don't worry. So haven't fully used it yet, so I don't have a recommendation just yet. So but I probably wouldn't recommend it. I'd probably let you know if you want to purchase this product and give this a try, or try. It's a very cheap product too. I think it was 19 on Amazon, but by the time you add the shipping and tax, it's going to be $22. So not too expensive too. So pretty nice metal. It will probably keep your GoPro from peeling, or keep you from peeling the GoPro up on accident, or destroy it or what. But anyway, I'm gonna catch you people next time. So if you stumble across this YouTube channel, check out my other videos. And when you do check out the other video, click on the Michaeltechroom user. It should be below the corner of the video, so it should be nearby. So click on it. Should take you to my YouTube channel homepage. And once you're on the YouTube homepage, hit the video tab and check out my the whole library of videos that I have uploaded from, well, since I started 2012. So check some of those out, see if you're interested in the vlog video or unboxing or some tech projects. So if those videos have interest you, and if you want to follow along, just feel free to subscribe. And if you want to be up to date with the channel, feel free to hit the bell notification. And once you hit the bell notification, you should be all up to date. So, and do make sure you fill out what you prefer way of getting notified. Once you fill that out, YouTube should notify you the way you before, so, or the way you want to be noticed. Then give the video a like or dislike, and actually check out the Google Plus page too. I try to post stuff, but been not good at it. But anyway, camera. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, give the video a thumbs down or thumbs downs, and what the heck? Oh yeah, check out the video notes. Click on show me more. If you don't click on show me more on the video notes, all you're gonna see is the main channel link. But if you did click on show me more, you will see mostly channel email address, then Amazon wish list. If you did support Amazon wish list, you would, in some manner of the way, you would get a shout out. Then community detective forms. So if you want to sign up with one of those community detective forms, feel free to say hi to me. Then if you have any nice comments, feel free to post it below the video, and pretty much that's pretty it. So I will catch you next time. I will see you later in the next video, okay?